Alright, coolly off it. Okay, this is the milk and the light bulb trick. Okay, see I got some 2%, a plastic cup. So if anything happens, just remember to get a cheap plastic cup if you have one, just so that way you don't, and just in case something happens, you don't ruin anything. And just, you know, standard light bulb, 120 volt, 60 watt. So light bulb you find anywhere. Okay, first I'm going to pour a little bit of milk. Basically, you just want enough milk to cover the bottom, just to cover the metal. So, you know, just so that way you don't waste too much milk. So, I have about maybe a quarter, yeah, about a quarter. Okay, and quite simply, and by the way, I have the lights turned off, so that's why everything's, and then the light on my camera. I'm going to turn it off shortly, and basically just drop the light bulb straight in, and it is covered. Okay, now I'm going to turn the light off and put it in the microwave. And if anyone's curious, I have it on the high setting. This is just a little cheap Sunbeam microwave, so if anything happens, oh well. So now just turn it on and wait. Lighting up. Dark. Lighting up again. Now the light bulb is warm to the touch, so let me turn the light back on. Okay. Shit. God damn it. Oh. Cool. And that is the milk and the light bulb trick. Now the other thing, I'm not really sure if this milk is safe or not. So, you know, whatever you do, don't take my word, but you know, I think I'm a little thirsty. Tastes okay.